The Notify When Left Behind feature on your AirPods Pro 3 uses Bluetooth and ultra-wideband technology to alert you if you leave them behind. This feature requires iOS 15 or later and appears as a toggle in the Find My app. If the toggle isn't showing, it's typically a software issue, not a hardware problem. Common reasons the feature might not appear include outdated iOS, especially versions before 18. Check for and install the latest iOS updates to ensure compatibility. Disabled Bluetooth can prevent the feature from showing. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled in your iPhone settings. Location services must be enabled for the Find My app to work properly. Check this in your iPhone's privacy settings. Being signed out of iCloud will disable Find My features. Ensure you're signed in with your Apple ID. A low AirPods battery, below 20%, can cause the feature to deactivate. Charge your AirPods before checking. Software conflicts from other apps or settings can also prevent the toggle from appearing. Try restarting your iPhone if other solutions don't work. First, ensure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version, 18.4 or later is ideal for compatibility. Reset your AirPods by holding the Setup button on the case until the light flashes. On your iPhone, go to Settings General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. Toggle Bluetooth off and on from the control center. Verify location services are enabled for Find My in Settings. Make sure Share Across Devices is enabled in your iCloud settings under Focus. Unpairing and repairing the AirPods can also help resolve the issue. If issues persist, contact Apple support for further assistance.